Okay, my wife's car is getting hard to start. It actually left us at the grocery store and we had to jump start it with my box. Yes, it's an SRT8. Okay, well, I'm gonna yank this battery out and I'm gonna revive it. Let's get started. Okay, this is the Chrysler 300 SRT8, and it left us last night, but keep certain things in my wife's car. Jumper box with pump, some gloves, and a tire repair kit. Okay, the battery is located in the trunk underneath this. This battery right now is under 12. Negative, and then your positive is underneath this cap. And it's given us 11.82. Okay, it's not enough to start the car, or barely start the car. So we're going to pull this out and revive this battery. Okay, so to pull it out, we need a 10mm wrench. Do the negative side first. You have that off. Do your positive side. Okay, now there's a clip down here that holds the battery in. It's also 10mm. And then now there's a tension strap that holds the battery in place. Okay, the strap is simple. Just push in on the tab and pull the strap. It loosens it right up. Okay, now grab your handle and lift. Okay, let's open this one up. levels are pretty good. Okay, make sure you have your connections on properly. Plus is positive. Minus is negative. Okay, let's turn it on. 200 amp cranking start. We're going to leave it on there for 15 minutes. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cells are already bubbling. See the activity? And it's only been 2 minutes. So we have 1 cell that we've got to revive. Alright, see you in 15 minutes. Okay, this is 15 minutes later. And 5 cells are bubbling nice. But that one still isn't. Alright, we're going to shut it off for an hour. We're about to start round 2. Okay, the 5 start bubbling right away. I'm trying to get that one somewhat in the middle. So we're going to let this go for 15 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, this is the end of round 2. We still don't have this one cell. It's hard to tell if we're getting any action at all. But it looks like it. Okay, so we're going to turn it off. And this is the end of round 2. So we're going to let it rest for an hour. Okay, we're going for round 3. Alright, let's turn it on. Okay, we're going to leave it on for 15 more minutes. Let's see what it does. Okay, this is the end of the 3rd round and we're getting some action in that cell. We weren't getting any bubbles before, but now it has started. We're going to turn it off and let it rest for an hour. Okay. Well, you saw at the end of the 3rd time, the 3rd round, the other cell started boiling. Okay, so now I'm going to do it. This is the 4th round. So let's see what happens. Okay, that's the end of the 4th round. And now all of them are boiling good. This one is. I'm going to let it rest for an hour. Then I'm going to start the 5th round. I don't know if it'll take all 15 minutes, but we'll see what it. Okay. We're putting this on the 5th round. The 5 start bubbling immediately. Oh, we got a bubble already out of the other one. Alright, this may only take a couple minutes. I'll let you know how long this actually takes before we all 6 are bubbling rapidly. That's what we're looking for. Okay, this is the end of the 5th. It looks good. Alright, I'm going to test the battery. Turn this off. Alright, I'm going to test the battery. 12.59, almost 12.6. That's good. Okay. Alright, let's pop it in the car. Okay. Get the strap over. Make sure you put the positive towards where the positive cable is. Mine happens to be in the back, or towards the front of the car. Slide it all the way over. You're going to want to put this bracket back in first. There's a couple notches on the battery that this fits on. Okay, push it in there and the holes line up. Get your 10mm screw. Get your battery in there squarely. Okay, get your ratchet strap or this battery strap, push it down and pull. Okay, now put your positive terminal on first. Tighten it up. I had cleaned the terminals before I charged the battery. You can use one of these or even just a bit of sandpaper, it'll be fine. Now put the negative side on. Make sure it's on there tight. Okay, everything looks good. Okay, that's it. That's either how to remove it and install a new battery or to revive your battery. All right, building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. See you on the next one.